Diversity is one of the most interesting aspects of the fluorite crystal because it can be found in so many different colors, such as this one, which is green, meaning that it is connected to your heart chakra. Also purple, related to your third eye and your crown chakra. But the interesting thing is, it can even be found in yellow, which is connected to Manipura, the chakra that we call as solar plexus, even though it's not located at all with your solar plexus, it is below it. It can also be found in blue, which will be connected to your throat chakra. So knowing how versatile this crystal can be, definitely you can use it in so many different ways. But to make it more precise today, I will talk to you about the green and the purple one as one, because it is a very popular way to find it. And what is really interesting, there is one thing that both modern science and spirituality agree about, that is required if you wish to have health, balance, physical as much as mental health, if you want to feel good within yourself, live a great life. And this thing is called heart and brain coherence. And this is where the fluorite becomes so interesting, because this is exactly what it does. In one crystal you have the heart chakra and the brain's chakra, which are the crown and your third eye. So one of the ways that I love using this crystal, which you can do as well because it's so easy, it is to first get one or preferably two of those crystals. Lay one on your heart center and lay the second one, which will also be either green and purple or one green and one purple. The second one, you lay it on your third eye, just like this, to create this heart and brain coherence. And of course, together they will help you, but you should guide them, because yes, crystals are powerful, they can help you, but you are the most powerful energetic machine on earth. You must remember that. And as you will manipulate energy, you will be able to create wellness within you, balance, to open up those centers which are a must to manifest properly. And all that you gotta do is, as the crystal is on your heart, just feel the cold sensation. Feel your heart center expanding into the quantum field in all directions like a sphere, slowly with your breath. And at some point, when the sphere reaches your third eye, feel that the muscle around your pineal gland are compressing together and going backward, which will truly create a compression around your third eye. Because I don't know if you know, but you have crystal within that pineal gland. They are calcite micro crystal, and they are a transducer and also piezoelectric, meaning that when you compress them, they will create an electromagnetic field. And the transducer part will be able to receive knowledge, receive data, information, and convert it into something that will be usable for your growth. And this is how we get downloads. Maybe you heard about those spiritual downloads. And once your sphere becomes big enough to reach your third eye, automatically, with your imagination and willpower, feel that a thread connect them both together. You are feeling from your heart, and you are seeing from your third eye. You might see a bunch of different shapes, just like when you look at the sun and look away. There are some sunspots, we could say, in your eyes, like multicolor light that take any possible form. Well, you will see those within your brain with your eyes closed. And those are also downloads. But let's not just stop here. Let's go even beyond. We don't just want to work on your system, because as you know, the root of spirituality is yoga. And yoga means oneness. All the universe is one. You experience life as a duality, but you are a unity. Therefore, we will expand your heart even more, as big as your house, as big as your city, as big as your country, as big as the earth, and as big as the whole solar system, until you feel that all existence is you. You are existence itself, experiencing life in the human system. And I guarantee that if you go on and perform this practice every day for 5 minutes or maybe even more, you will feel change happening within you. And always remember to cleanse them afterward. You can even wear a crystal necklace just like this to keep on this heart and brain coherence all day, both consciously and with the help of your crystal friend. If you would like to get one, feel free to write me on Instagram, email, or a comment, and I will reach out to you. If you found any value in this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Which crystal would you like me to talk about next? Let me know within the comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.